Hi, Mika.
Hi, Mommy.
It's raining, no?
Yes,
Where we going now?
Walmart.
It's raining. My favorite portion, mga mahal ko, pag umuulan, I feel relaxed to
I don't like
drive.
Mom. I think the rain is giving flood to us.
Oh, yeah. Okay. See you later, mga mahal ko.
Bye-bye.
I love you. Mga mahal ko, lumalakas ang ulan. Pero, okay lang naman. Hindi naman masyadong malala. Masarap mag-drive. Ayan, mga mahal ko. Medyo lumalakas ang ating ulan.
Mom, can you talk at Mama go? I'm sleeping.
Ayan, mga mahal ko, passing through Enchanted Kingdom.
Mom, can you talk to Mama go? I'm sleeping.
It's really raining.
Mama, I want to talk to Mama go. I'm sleeping.
Oh. She want to talk daw sa inyo, mga mahal ko. Sleeping daw siya, oh. Ayan, mga mahal ko, ang Enchanted Kingdom. There. Muulan. Waiting for parking. So much car. Always busy ang Walter Mart na ito eh. Dami laging tao.
Mom is.
Oh, beautiful. You want picture, baby? Oh, wait lang po. Mga mahal ko, we're back home. At ito yung aking napamili. I have these buns for my burger. And I have this French fries. Yung chicken, nilagay ko na dun kasi baka mag-ano yung spill out kay Bika Baon. Ayan, then I have fresh milk, Carla. My favorite. Pancake for Mika. Mahilig siya mag-breakfast niyan. Kunti lang naman to, ayan. At saka yung bread pan. Tapos may barbecue flavor ako. Para sa aming french fries. And chocolate, chocolate, baon niya. And ayun, onion. Yung kanyang mayo. Yung kanyang kinain niya na. Yung kanyang may onion ako. Yung kanyang chips ahoy na pinabili, kinain niya na doon sa car. Carrots. Ayan, at nag-additional ako ng milk. Kasi bigla-bigla ginagamit ko sa pancake niya. Ayun lang, mga mahal ko. After nito, I will eat na. Napapa-coffee ako pagdating gawa ng naulan.
Mom, did you want to talk Mama?
Yeah, opo, about your baon, anak. Sige, you finish na your bathtub there. Naligo agad. Mahal ko, we're back home. I have my sutanghon and coffee. Hello, mga mahal ko. Kain tayo. Kain po tayo. No, you're go back to shower. It's not allowed. You are not nagbabattab po kasi hindi siya pwede siyempre dito.
Mom, are you talking Mama ko I am taking shower?
Yeah, I tell them. That's why you are not allowed here. Kain tayo ng sutanghon, mga mahal ko. At kape dahil naulan. Ayan, ito ang masarap ngayong kainin. Nanalangin na po ako. Inyo po unang subo.
Mom, are you...
Way back home na.
You show my French fries and spaghetti.
Yeah, you're done eating your spaghetti, right?
My name is Mika, and today we're going to eat.
Tapos na mag-shower, mga mahal ko. Ayan, nilutuan ko ng gusto daw niya ng french fries. Ang flavor nito ay barbecue. Yummy, ah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
So hot. And today we're going to have some Ireland. Mika, we're gonna.
milk.
Mom, I'm going
Arla.
Arla milk.
Titikman niya daw yung Arla milk kasi yung gatas niya pang ano pa yan, pang AIDS niya. Sige, pwede naman yan kasi fresh milk naman mga mahal ko. Anyway, masarap pala yung french fries.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
May I borrow your ano? Put it transfer here because I want to make my own also. Ako din.
So sour.
It's not sour, it's a barbecue. How can be sour?
I tasted, but instead the barbecue.
It's not sour. It's a barbecue.
Yeah.
Nagluto ako ng kaunti for me, mga mahal ko. Ayan. Good night, mga mahal ko.
Good night.
We love you all. God
I
bless
love
us
you
all.